Hello everybody. So today we are gonna look at how to solve this basic scripting challenge from TryHackMe. So it's hacking with PowerShell. So in this example, what it has shown is uh, first it checks the TCP connection. If the state is listening, then what we wanna do is loop through this port. After looping through the port, what is does it check individual port with this get TCP uh, connection. If it's listening, then it will echo. If not, it just goes on blank. So that is how it is. Now what we want to do is to find the what file contains and the password. So here what we want to know is the email for this, right, the email for folder on this desktop contain copy of email. So the file is in desktop called emails, right? So that's the important part. After you have known that, what we can do is write a script. So let's define our path. We know the path, right? So it's on. So let's open this. Then it's on C. So let's do users, right? Then administrator. So let me just remove this. It would be easier for me to navigate through. So here we are in desktop. After going through the desktop, there is a folder called email. So what we want to do is inside email, what we want to do is to do recursive. So in order to be recursive, we do star asterisk sign. It's a wildcard. So next, after we have gotten this, then what we want to check is to let's match the pattern. Uh, let's do pat, right, equal to then we have the password. So after you have known the password, right, then let's create our command for this. So if you remember the command that we did on a previous link, so we can use get, right, get child item item get child item. So we want to specify the path for that. So we have the path. Then we want to be loop through all this. So recursive means that. Then after doing that, we need to select a string. So let's do select string, and then we can do pattern. After that, we can match the pattern that is pat. After comparing that, let's do command. Let's run this command. Let's do enter. Then let's come here and let's run our script. So let's run our script. So now we have gotten let's save this, right. We haven't saved it, so it was running an earlier script. So let's do enter. So now we have find the text called doc3m. So this is our file name, and the password it goes like this. And what file contains the http link? So link means what we can do is remove this password. So we have this pattern, so we can do https. So https link would be like this. Then let's save it and let's run it again. Let's do enter. Now we have successfully got the HTTP file also. So it's a doc to Mary. That's the file name. Thank you guys.